Hi, this is Everton Blender, and you're listening to the Young Police Channel. Lift up your head and hold it up, high. We know that we'll win the prize. Everton Blender says so.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so those of you who have good memory, we know when I talk to the goldfishes them, cause you know the goldfish them after 15 seconds them don't even remember which part them head there. You understand what I'm saying? Cause all parts of them body start scratch down, itch them and all kind of things. So if you remember, less than 2 weeks since the Vybz Kartel, that the bullfrog, since him come out, he's been released from prison. Yeah man, released. The jackal, so he has been released because he's supposed to motivate the PMP criminal organization voters to elect the PMP, to put in the PMP criminal organization to deprive Jamaica from becoming a republic. Yes, so that is his goal, so sit them and Mark, Baby Trump, Peter Bunting, the Tillibars and all of these people, they are enemies of Jamaican people. They don't want to see Jamaican become a republic. And then them have this guy up there now in East Orange, yes, charge of badness. So he had issued an edict, yes, that anyone that you're not in Gregory Park over by Gulf, you're not authorized to play any Vybz Kartel music in celebration of his release from prison. So you have an old man now, big man, named Rara. I'll show you how people stay, So Rara, yeah, so he was beaten badly, end up in a hospital at Spanish Town, but the people them afraid to talk. But as usual, we always have our sources and people to tell us things. Yes. So them beat him. My view get the information too, but that's not really my views thing for my view loves tell about about people, one and two little things. Other things where have to do with killings. But we tell you everything, because we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we're all about saving lives. That's you understand what I'm saying. So each person have their own mission. Yeah, I will tell you my view, one of the biggest informer, Iman Sir P. Yeah, Sir P is a man who call out people. Hey, look here, we tell people as it is, As we tell you already, say, the channel them will watch. You understand? We'll give you a full date about the Clarendon massacre. Why, trust me, it's a lot of work. So, Rara now, yeah, if you look at a video, that we have done about charge badness, beer mother, that's one of them Fallon, yeah, I'm out big like shark, and you see she at twerk, and I don't know, she go both ways too, you understand? Fallon go both ways, and say charge badness here. That time when we look on the upper left of on your screen, that's the man, the man kill Dave Clans. That are the man who teach him, introduce him to criminality. Kill Dave Clans, and then he married to Dave Clans' wife. Yeah, so he married to Dave Clans' wife, and that's why I'm reaching America and all these things. But he's a criminal, charged with badness. I know that he haven't told Uncle Sam that he was arrested, charged and convicted with murder. And as usual, I'm a PMP criminal organization gunman. Yes, them let him go. So the other man that was convicted, the other man back to, is a labor right. Yeah, man, we are telling you also it go back to, he's still in prison for the same crime. Charge of badness was held with the gun that was killed with kill the security guard. That you understand. So he's now in East Orange, New Jersey. So charge about this as issue and edict that no one know that you're not authorized to play any Vybz Kartel music to celebrate his acquittal of the murder charges that he was facing, he and his friends. So fast forward. So Rara now, a big man. Rara is a man instrumental in putting Kartel out to the world. Yes, cause I'm used to have him contests and all of these things with him and Daddy Flim. And Daddy Flim was killed. Daddy Flim was a better artist than Vybz Kartel. Bad on him. And he had beaten Vybz Kartel, win a big screen TV, and the same people them over there killed Daddy Flim, threw him behind a tank over there. Yes. So Rara have a son by the name of Brick Boss. And guess what? Brick Boss and Charge Badness a friend. Me don't know how them do it. A man beat your father and you and him a man stay a foreign and beat your father a Jamaica and you and that man a friend. Me don't know how them do it and them thing. That's why me don't know. I could not become a criminal. But I just saw it go. So the men them beat Rara. Guess who? It's the same little 15-year-old boy. His brothers. Yeah man, Ada and Venom and others. The other men them come from Spanish Town. I don't get them full name or them alias. These men are from Klansman gang, Tesha Miller faction over there in Gregory Park, over by Gulf. So now there's the PMP now, they must spread them wings, yes, extend them. Not the PMP criminal organization, charge badness, yes, they must spread them wings down to Watson Grove. Them say them want to turn Watson Grove in a PMP criminal community because them get too much labor right vote there, and now say PMP I got dead. I just saw it go. So we don't. And then the people are saying that the MP Terry Long not doing anything, so they might call up on the Jamaica Labour Party hierarchy to do something about it, because these men who are from Klansman criminal organization gang in Spanish Town is in Gregory Park. So I tell you now, so Rara is an elderly man living in Gregory Park, St. Catherine, was beaten severely. He had to be hospitalized last week at the Spanish Town Hospital for playing one of Vybz Kartel's music in the community by men aligned to Carrego Barnes, aka Charge Badness, OC Che, for violating the order. And the worst part of the story is that the man's son is a part of Charge Badness gang. Yeah man, that's a Brick Boss. Boy, I tell you. And it is sad that his father is in the hospital and he's in America in the company of this man. I don't know how a man become criminal. Oh, your father, a man loyalty to a criminal than to your father. No man, hey, me couldn't become criminal still doing it, because I don't know how a man do it still doing it. So actually in reality, the brutal consequences have defined Carrego Barnes, OC Charge Badness, OC Che. Remember saying that Che is the unelected mayor of Gulf. Yeah man, in Gregory Park. So the power dynamics in Gregory Park, St. Catherine are stark and unforgiving. Recently an older man known as Rara faced the brutal reality of this dominance. Rara was severely beaten and hospitalized at Spanish Town Hospital simply for playing a Vybz Kartel song in the community. His attackers, men aligned to Carrego Barnes, also known as Charge Badness, and Che, the leader of the Gulf gang. And you know that Charge Badness is a PMP criminal organization, gunman. And then all murderer, him kill Fox. Fox which is Lisa. Lisa name is Marcia Griffiths. Yes, that is Che wife, Him kill the little girl, father Fox. Him kill her. How them do it? How all the woman do it? So the man kill your baby father and the man kill your other man. You married to him? And that's why I tell you, say, some sick people them this, How them do it? You understand? So now him beat her with all pat in America and them thing, they run her out. So now him live with two other women in America. Yeah, so him no need she no more and them thing. But she still around behind him because they love the beating, But the tragedy does not end there. Rara's son is a member of Charge Badness gang. Yet, while his father lies in an hospital, he is reportedly in America, still under the influence and company of the very man responsible for his father's suffering. I don't know how a man do it though. Them are some sick people, them this. So them say, boy, the power of Carriego, Barnes, OC Charge Badness, OC Che, has established himself as the unelected ruler of Gregory Park. Yeah, I'm a Charge Badness, you know. I'm the mayor, you know. Yeah, him say no Vybz Kartel music, no celebration. So man feel like, alright, I me boss Vybz Kartel, you know. You understand what I'm saying? Me responsible for his ascension to stardom. And I'm glad for him and them thing there. What? Them beat the man there. Like, all him woman, she have a big gun on them thing there. And the man them beat her upon all her hand to all she get beaten, you know, man. Boy, I tell you, I don't know all them people are some sick people. So it's banned and Vybz Kartel from having any street celebration following his acquittal by the appeal court is not just an assertion of control, but a chilling reminder of power he wields over the community. So you have to understand the consequences, you know. The cost of defiance. Rara assault. Yeah, Rara's assault is brutal. It's a brutal example of what happened when someone, what happened when someone defies Barnes that are charged with badness. Barnes order. It's not just about one man being beaten. It's about the message it's sent to everyone in the community. Disobedience will not be tolerated. Can you believe that? You understand? Disobedience cannot be tolerated. You know, so big people, you know, that's why I'm saying I like criminal, you know. Oh, a big man like that, no, you go send man, go 3 man a play music, man, beat him. And him have to just take him beating so and all them things there. All them things there, you understand? So the tragic irony, the fact that Rara's son is a part of the gang that causes father's suffering. I like the tragic irony of deep-rooted loyalty within these criminal organizations. Even as his father lies injured, the son remains under the influence of the gang leader, showing the powerful hold these figures have over their members. The injustice, this incident underscore the harsh reality of life under the rule of a criminal leader. Justice is not served in a courtroom, but is meted out by those who hold power through fear and violence. And that's why I'm telling you, me no believe in a criminal, you know, no man where inflict harm on people and I use threat of violence. You understand? Figure out, me also straight to the departure lounge. What you mean? But don't worry yourself, Mr. Barnes. Your day is coming, you know. Your day is coming. You understand? I remember, you know, nobody feel say you're pitting my escape the judgment that you create, you know. You understand? I just saw it go. So this incident, this is an injustice, you know. This incident underscores the harsh reality of life under the rule of a criminal leader. Justice not served in a courtroom, but meted out by those who hold power through fear and violence. That's all criminal work. Hey, look here. When me I grow on them thing there, no guy couldn't come tell me this or that or them thing. Hey, no man, if all them thing they never happen to me when me I grow. All when me become police, I debt. Hey, me I tell you say I debt before this and that. Cause a guy don't have to pay. Oh, come tell who what. You understand? Well, a different era me come from and them thing there. Cause no man ain't tell me when me can do or when me can't do and them thing there. And you understand what I'm saying? I just saw it go. You know see. So career go Barnes ban. And Vybz Kartel celebration is more than just a restriction. It symbolizes his control. By forbidding public festivities, Barnes is sending a clear message. Gregory Park is under his control and any celebration that does not align with his rule is unwelcome. So the people them about us and I say the MP when him Terry Long, him not do nothing. Him not do nothing to protect the people them here now. So the people them say, boy, actually we are PMP. And them say them can't go to Raymond Price, Raymond Price afraid of charge of badness. Oh, he a politician and afraid of come on boy. You understand? And what kind of thing that? But well, I saw them do it still doing in a party now. Because I remember say it was the same charge of badness. Who threatened Dr. Della, hey, and him just resigned. Him go to Peter Phillips. That's the big guy and tell Peter Phillips, say, hey, look here. The boy threatened me and say, man, kill me and them thing there. And Peter Phillips said, well, him run over there and him give with the vote and all of them thing there. So you have to work with him. So him just resign. Because man say, oh, me not work with no criminal. Me never go to school and get my degree and all of them thing there with no criminal. Me work hard feet, so I me for listen to one boy where I carousing. So him just left the party. When me say left the party, he just left the representation of politics. And guess what? He was still die-hearted PMP. I saw it go. Yeah, well I tell you, so you don't see it. I say it go, man. So the impact on the community, Barnes' actions have effectively stifled any public expression that might challenge his authority. So a straight dictator business, communism, is what he approve you can listen. What a community. You understand? And beat all the man father. And then him now brick bastard around the man. Me now, sir, hey, I couldn't become I know man, I could not become a criminal and everything. Me don't know how a man do it. A man beat your father and your father at hospital, and a man justify why him beat your father and you accept it. You have to be a sick puppy, man, me I tell you. You understand? You have to be a sick puppy. So the community lives in fear, knowing that any misstep could lead to severe punishment. So what if somebody hey look, all a man all somebody over there I listen to Jamaica Young Police channel and never tell him say, oh hey, you lock out a little dirty boy there. I wanna call corrosion and them thing they still doing. So you understand, boy, but the boy they are informer and the boy don't like you, get a youth and them thing there. We don't get a people now corrosion now capture and on the lift pan. We don't know get a Jonestown and them place where infrastructure get dilapidated and the government not do nothing about it. Get up. Anytime you have good community and they run down. Because corrosion like when you come live there. Waterford I get up. Portmore itself is an extension of concrete jungle. I just saw it go. I own all corrosion down Corobunkers and Dirty Bungle family. I own mash up good places. That's why people for burning out with fire. You understand? So what is happening? This is a suppression of joy. The ban and celebrations prevent public gathering and suppresses the community's spirit. So as much as the same people them are going for that want to celebrate cartel release, you know, they have to suppress that, you know, and hug it to hug it up, you know. You understand? Because they must say a them build cartel, you know, cartel and a Waterford build, you know, Gregory Park, you know. So that's why I'm not power so much youth down there and some of them even kill them and all them things there. Vybz cartel. You understand? So events that could unite people and foster unity are quashed, leaving a void in Gregory Park's social fabric. And I saw the man the influential, you know, the man that stay in America, thousands of miles away, and control what's happening in the ground in Jamaica. You understand? And him have access to Baby Trump and all these people, these criminals, elected people. And Baby Trump and no Jamaican, them are British. So I call for change. So this situation highlights the urgent need for change. The residents of Gregory Park deserve to live without fear, to celebrate their culture and enjoy their lives without the shadow of violence looming over them. So a message to the youth, the reality of crime, to the young individuals who might be tempted by the allure of power and the respect that comes with being a part of a gang. Rara's story is a harsh reminder of reality. Crime doesn't pay. It can lead to pain, betrayal, and destruction. Rara is a man where everybody loves in a community, you know. Remember, I say Rara used to live in you understand what I'm saying? Before he moved from which part he live. You understand? Because, you know, they must sell out the place, the man, them thing there. The man, you know, see it. You know, so you have all corrosion like Dwayne Carlisle, Gillian White, that are back to woman, Ricardo Dixon, O.C. Breeder, and Red Clown that are, yeah man, Chalice brother. Yeah man, Chalice brother. You understand? So Rara used to live on Godly Avenue, you know. What kind of, you understand? But them man are nothing godly about them, you know. I tell you, you know. Yeah, you know, see it. So him responsible for Vybz Kartel career and put him up there. And now, boy, the man in the hospital. And the people them say, boy, Nuffy can't say nothing because, hey, Nuffy want to come back to Jamaica for Christmas. Because he got a sting. And Nuffy and Vybz Kartel, you know, they know so tight again and them thing there alone. Nuffy help push him career. So I just saw it go on them thing there. Yeah, so as we tell you, when you're in a criminality, two places, either end up a prison or the departure alone. So we are telling you them to stay away from crime, because all of these false promises of crime, being a part of a gang, might seem like a way to gain respect and power. But in reality, it often means living in constant fear with threat of violence hanging over your head. So when in a gang, say rival want to kill you, police want to kill you, and all kind of thing, because you're a criminal, So when you're a criminal and thing, you must expect that any time, you have to play number 3, as just so it go. So the importance of integrity. There's no, any man tell you say there's an honest criminal, you tell that person that they're a liar. Because there's no honest criminal. That's just so it go. Criminals are normally dishonest people. That's the first trait of being a criminal. You have to be a dishonest person. So there's no honest criminal on this earth. Remember me tell you that. Anyone tell you anything else, tell them that Jamaica Young Police Channel, Chris Porter tell us say a lie them I tell. Because there's no honest criminal. Criminals are normally dishonest people. Because the first thing that you have to learn to do, ignore your conscience. You understand? To be a criminal. You have to be unconscionable, you have to be lied, you have to everything that is. So I don't know how a man claims to the man, number one, say you're lied as a criminal. Oh, you stay and you trust the next man where you say him a liar. You say you're a fool. How is that a good career? What is so glorious about it? When you say the person that you and them in the gang, them dishonest, them a liar like you don't know if them a plan to kill you. Are them going, you understand what I'm saying? Are them are set you up for kill you? Look on all the youth the other day at Waterhouse, where him friend, the man who him have as him best friend, and the man set him up, make them kill him. You understand? I just saw it go. There's no honest criminal. I tell you all the time. So the importance of integrity, no criminal are no integrity, True success coming from living a life of integrity, honesty, decency, ethics, morality, and hard work. Building a future based on these values lead to genuine respect and lasting happiness, not fleeting and dangerous powerful life of crime. Criminal always them affair live. Criminal is a stressful life, So I don't know why a man love a stressful life. Cause you know I go to jail, but say you commit crime, so you go to jail. So why you do it? Unless you're admiral for one for see more when man a beat and all them things there. Because you understand, and man rub up them soldier upon you. So understand if I want a dirty man. Oh man, any man who love criminality. A man who love to hang out with men. Spend most of them life with men. You have some man from them born, most of them time they spend in jail or prison. As they go to prison and come out 2 weeks after that they go back again. Because then they miss them charge and them G in a prison. What kind of people them this? See some sick people them this. Them not believe in hard work. So the path forward, instead of following a path of crime, focus on building a life you can be proud of. One that contributes positively to your community and earn you genuine respect. Education, employment, community involvement are the key to a safer future. Yes. So we're telling you, everything we give you, we like to give you context. So the birth of criminality in Jamaica, roots, evolution, and community impact. We as Jamaicans, whether or not you want to believe it, because some Jamaicans are dummy, say, no dummy now over here saying them thing, because I dummy them gone long time. 15 seconds, because no more them say, boy, the introduction is too long. So them gone, I just saw it go. You understand? So the historical roots of criminality in Jamaica, the seeds of criminality in Jamaica can be traced back to the complex interplay of historical, social, and economic factors. So all of this go right back now to most of you you go back to the Kukumaka stick when the PMP criminal organization them start attack the labor right them when them go meeting. And them start it, attack the people them and them thing there. Because everybody used to live in our love, I tell you, I talk to a man the other day and them thing there. Come from Jonestown and them thing there. And after Tony Spalding winning, I saw the people them in my community, start chase out the labor right them and all kill them, Because everybody, you understand what I'm saying? And I go and make no hear it on them thing there because And a labor right a problem, PMP them, them are the one to sow the seed of hatred toward each other. A man where him even help the people them, a labor right brother. You understand? Make people get work a wife and all of them. Everybody live in a community at Jonestown, as one. And at them see one after them PMP win 72. I saw people have to run where them thing there, some dead. At them start it. So we are give the historical the background of it. So the legacy of colonialism marked by slavery, exploitation, and the disenfranchisement of the majority population laid a foundation of inequality and mistrust that has persisted through the generations. So the marginalization of large population segments created fertile ground for anti-social behavior and criminal activity. So when I make excuse of that, because everybody could have done that in Jamaica. So after gaining independence in 1962, Jamaica faced significant challenges, including economic instability, high unemployment rates, and political corruption. These factors contribute to the rise of organized crime and gang violence, particularly in urban areas where poverty and lack of opportunities were most acute. So you have political violence and gang violence. So so what is happening right now in a Portmore? It's not a gang violence, or political violence. This is just straight terrorism, because terrorism is when you terrorize the people and make them get freed. Because if the people them live in them community and them can play the music what them want, let me say them not get to live them life the way that them supposed to be living. You understand? So, and you know that as we tell you about the political violence, in the 1970s and 80s, political parties in Jamaica become deeply entangled with criminal elements. Gangs were often armed and funded by political figures to secure votes and intimidate opponents. So at that time them start chase out people out of Jonestown. If you're on a PMP, you have to say you're a PMP. Many people, many families have to pack up and leave, because men just go on and say, boy, I feel say you're a labor right. Just saying, them don't have no evidence. Them feel say, and you have to move. If you don't move, them kill you. Them burn you out and kill you. And you know that, although the death penalty was there, who dare to go and testify against them? Because you live in a community. You understand? And the people, them were a part of it, because they were all about the spoils, because of what the PMP, Michael Manley, would give them. So this era of politically motivated violence further entrenched criminality into the fabric of Jamaican society. As you have seen, we show you a guy with name Trevor Monroe. All of these guys, I'm telling you all the while, say the educated people, them are the real criminal of Jamaica, because them educated, and they are like the shepherd, and them lead the people, them who are the sheep, call them illiterate and follow them, knowing that it is wrong, but them still do it, and them keep them out locked. But we not lock them out, we are chat. Trevor Monroe, you small and them people, them supposed to be banished from society. You understand? It's just a pity that we can't use natural justice, and you understand, and I say, oh, we know say you do all of them things, and we not have to go through the rule out there, you understand, the justice system. Yeah, man, got wicked people, them thousands of like blood upon them shoulder. I know them are come up, but integrity what? We don't need to stop listening to them people. Them help destroy the mind of the people. They make them feel sick. All of them anti-social behavior, them normalize it. Oh, on God's earth, if you love your people, why? This is how I mean, if you love your people, why you feel say you have to kill a man for him support your party? Or him to think like you. Everybody can't think the same. You could never get me support the PMP criminal organization, because I do not support the killing of other Jamaicans. People, period. I don't care if you're a Labour or PMP. I believe in that people are supposed to free to choose what they want to choose. Or the party. Come with your ideas. You know the ideas. All you do is promote terrorism. Because look now, this is 2024. A guy say what? He might come from over there and he come from jungle. In the same community that I am from. You understand? And I say, boy, a theme place. Which part of you, or your own place? You don't know God. So this era of politically motivated violence, apart it entrenched in a entrenched criminality in the fabric of Jamaican society. As these gangs gained power and influence, they began to operate independently, engaging in drug trafficking, extortion, and other illegal activities. We not used to have extortion in Jamaica until the 1990s. And all become prominent, I PMP do it. When I was at Unsby, all of the guys that were trying to extort, they are not here. Yeah, we not play them really and them thing. No, you're not. Extort what? You understand? You have to do something to get money. You can't oh boy, you can't operate business in our place, you know. We have to get which money that you go work. You understand? Yeah man, or you come collect the extortion money and you collect your ticket straight to the departure lounge. That's how it got. You don't give a bone of jail business and them thing. Man, some man will run away. You understand? How you mean? So the transformation of these politically affiliated gangs into independent criminal enterprises mark a significant shift. No longer merely tools of political parties, these gangs began to assert control over entire communities, becoming de facto rulers in areas where state authority was weak or absent. So now these guys don't fill the vacuum and the nastiness start. Because them get the nod from the government. Because when you have a prime minister like PJ Patterson, who have a welcome home party for two known murderer, George Flash and Tony Brown. Tony Brown is the father of Angela Brownberg. You remember of Parliament that's replaced Portia Simpson Miller. So that's how it going on. Once a family member commit crimes on behalf of the PMP criminal organization, they will reward you with a political party, reward you in the party. You don't get reach ascension in the PMP criminal organization without some form of criminality behind your name. I just saw it go. Just like Pummels, the council in the community where I'm from in Jonestown. Her son was killed by police. He's a murderer. Yeah, kill all Mr. White and them thing there, man. A good to the community, kill him and take him gun. Police kill him. She did at Portmore at the time when the murder happened. According to she. You understand? But when police killed him, yeah, she was in a Portmore too, But she claims that she say, I don't know how you stay at Portmore and witness police, but police extrajudicial killing and him never have no gun. And she a witness against the police them, And her daughter now was killed in a company of Danville Palmer. And him get shot up and, them replace part of him foot with iron, with steel in it. And I'm be able to provide all of them things for him, money, financial thing. So she, the same Pummels, I tell you them things. Pummels, the councillor for Jonestown, she has sell farm work ticket for 100,000 Jamaican, and she has sell the thing them that she get from Beryl, Hurricane Beryl. I sell it to people in Jonestown, Bembo Street, all about. If you no connect, and she say Mark Golin say $25,000 out of $100,000 where she has sell the ticket them for. I forgot to Sammy, that a theme second. So that makes sense to me. And then say they love poor people. Or if you love poor people and sell the people them farmer ticket. When we used to that Jonestown and people get farm, nobody no pay for that. You understand? You're connected and all them things. I saw some family member of mine and them things they get for travel and get for, you understand, and get for move out and build house and all them things to the farm work program. You understand? And I saw them do it. So the transformation of these politically affiliated gangs into independent criminal enterprise mark a significant shift. Yeah man, so that's why we not the police them absent, so them become the de facto leaders. So the socio-economic impact on communities, the presence of criminal organizations in Jamaican communities has had a profound and devastating impact. That's why I don't like dance, I don't like them. So in areas where these gangs operate, the social fabric is often torn apart, leading to a range of adverse outcomes. Alright, look here. If you have some community, that's not a good thing for community. Alright, you have, an area leader be more, more acceptable. When we say area leader, you have an elder. That any like a problem in a community, it can be resolved by the elder and them thing. But no, and I saw them do it and them thing. They want to know say them have illegal gun, them can kill people who them want to kill. And you understand, I just saw it go. We don't support them thing there. So in areas where these gangs operate, the social fabric is often torn apart. So it leads to leading to a range of adverse outcome. So everything have cause and effect. You have cause and effect. Yeah, you do this because you cause an desired effect on them thing. So it causes increased violence. The most immediate and visible impact of criminality is the rise in violence. Gang wars, turf battles, and reprisal create an environment of fear and insecurity. Innocent residents often become collateral damage in these conflicts, with children and older people being particularly vulnerable. And then you have the breakdown of social order. In communities controlled by gang, the rule of law is frequently undermined. Criminals impose their form of justice, often through intimidation and violence. This breakdown of social order erodes trust in legitimate institutions such as the police and the judiciary, leading to a cycle of lawlessness and impunity. So in Jamaica now, the reason why you have so many murders every year, people don't have faith in our justice society, in the judiciary. Because we know say most of the judges them corrupt, especially the one that we are appointed by the PNP criminal organization. We see 3 judges were appointed by the PNP criminal organization. Let go Vybz Kartel out of prison. You understand? Him and them people them, because I just say it go, because them release it now, because the PNP say, boy, them can't go win election and prevent Jamaican from becoming a republic without Vybz Kartel. Because the monarch of England now want to release Lego Jamaica. And then you have some domino, you have whole heap of dummies. Not one of them stand up for Jamaica, because them are PNP. They see themselves as Jamaican. And then them in the diaspora in America here, them get 300 US to give them for demonstrate, And guess what? $100 them give them. So, the others them will get the money, them thief $200 from them. And you understand, one big war between them and ugly sum. I just saw it go, and then them say ugly sum tons. And how many times him fail police test. And him feel go talk to the people them who can understand him because him dumb. That's what them say, you understand? That's how them treat him and them thing. Like, when you're done, see just done. You understand? So criminality, them things that cause economic decline, such as extortion and drug trafficking, disrupt local economies. Businesses are often forced to pay protection money or face violent consequences. That's how a PNP criminal organization is good for. And them lead that foundation normalize extortion in Jamaica, Spanish Town. Oh, your prime minister, and guess what? The boy was the author, right? The most wanted man. That makes sense to me. Most wanted man in Jamaica get a government contract for 400 million. Donovan Bulby Bennett. And you're going to tell me, say me if you support a party, right? Give a man who's the most wanted man, who kill Jamaicans, rape them. We talk rape man and woman, Because him rape a taxi man, them called Ronald, We run from Elton Park to Spanish Town. Him rape the man, And him get a government contract. That make sense to me. So if you support a party like that, where I give a man who is the most wanted man of Jamaica. So that is his reward for terrorizing the people of Spanish Town and its environment. And not until end time, him try to kill Olivia Babsy Grange, Peter Phillips and police now, and them dirt him. You understand? Yeah. A police when him Tabana and my batchmate, my class captain, and them keep send him to the departure lounge. You understand? And we can't tell you what happened and him thing and tell him go there. When I police him, a deputy suit now and him thing there. Yeah, because we know one and two little things. Because the boy try to kill police, when him go for real, and a joke thing, You understand? Because the boy, him never want to open up the grill. You understand? So this stifle entrepreneurship and economic growth lead to increased poverty and unemployment. So in time them extort the people in the community, the business people, that now help the people them, it only like increase poverty and unemployment. Because nobody don't want to invest. Additionally, crime deter investment and tourism, further exacerbated economic woes. But PNP don't care about that, because that's for them bread and butter, Once see them criminal them can make money, them you understand, and them have them in them pocket, put them on the JUTC payroll, man just come and collect them check. Because here, man, I'll leave it talk. Social fragmentation. Criminality faster social fragmentation as communities become divided along gang lines. Residents may be forced to choose side or constantly fear of being targeted. So that's how them come up now with the artificial borderline. See how God did erase it, and the PMP reinstate it. See how God did erase the borderline, because I could have walked from concrete jungle to downtown Kingston. I'm not talking about even walk across road and all them things there. I'm not talking, and even in the 80s, you have a club, I don't remember what name right now, half and in the West. Two of you used to play every Saturday night. And them things in a New Kingston, I don't remember any of my club, half and. And we used to go up there Saturday night time. My cousin used to sell downtown, and them time they have some big old gold ears ring and all kind of thing. And cause she did have all the money and them thing there. And taxi used to come pick we up right out of Cartel'S Smith Drive, pick we up, like 10 o'clock, car will go up there. And then until we come back in at 4 o'clock, taxi car back right in a concrete jungle. That time in the 80s, the middle of the 80s. And nobody now do nothing. The taxi man ain't afraid to come down there. Artificial borderline erase PMP reinstated in the 1990s. You understand? Man from Petora Road can't come a Galloway Road. Man from Galloway Road can't go to Berwick. I just saw it got. Them do it because it suit them. I see them people, them in there, all of them are PMP. And I saw them install the artificial borderline. See how I did erase it, because see how I say, if you trouble one of my citizens and prevent them from a free movement and harass them, you have to talk to my security force. I send them to you. And when them come in, nobody feel say them can't go to jail. Them put your 2 foot them out of the Opel. So you foot them, and people know say a dead man alone riding a chunk of car back then. So your 2 foot them, I go show out of the back of the chunk. You understand? And the chunk, it all depends on how fast them a drive. If you carry a KPH, them pronounce you dead. I PMP come down and change that now. Or if you put them on the back seat, the brother when you Mac Millen and Owen Ellington, put them on the back seat of a police car and blood up the seat for you all corrose the boy of them. You understand? But hey, we did have Jeep on them thing there. So we put them in a Jeep. You understand? But we I tell you, say we used to love the Opel. You just put your all corals them in a back in a chunk of Opel or a police car, and you just make them foot hang out. So when people see foot they hang out, they know say departure along them are going. So them thing they drive fear in a boy say, oh, because you go drive through all the other community them in. From them say that, them know say, I lick police lick with that, I send that to your departure lounge. I just saw it go. So them think the detail you now want to become a criminal, because a man say, oh, me, now I want to travel in the back of no car, you know. You understand? No police in a shootout. All the boy will get, him in a front seat with the police where I drive. Yeah, you understand? Him supposed to in a chunk, but say police, Jamaican for justice. So no care, hey, them people had them a problem. You understand? Then you know you have a giant side, and that's how you end up dead. So this fragmentation weakens the sense of community and collective identity, making it difficult to mobilize against the forces that oppress them. So you have to choose side on them thing there. So it going on. Then you have psychological trauma. The constant exposure to violence and crime has profound psychological impact on residents, particularly children. So when look here, when children grow up in an environment where violence in them, after a while them become numb, and them see it as something normal. So when you grow in an environment like that, if you don't know the difference between wrong and right, you will go with the wrong thing. Because they want to feel a part of it. Because they can boast all them harm other people. And they know say it wrong. Although them know say it wrong and them do it still do, you know. And when they put it now, say, alright, so how you feel if somebody do your mother that? Oh! At them time, you know, I saw you have to wake up them brain. And you understand? And put it to them and say, if I did your mother, how you feel? I saw some of them know, and them I say, you know, some of them think because them don't use them brain. Because they are being programmed to be like this. So exposure to traumatic events such as shootings, beatings and murder can lead to long-term mental health issues, including anxiety, depression, post-traumatic stress disorder. This trauma can hinder educational attainment and social development, perpetuating a cycle of poverty and criminality. So the erosion of educational opportunities. In areas where gangs exert control, schools may become targets of violence or places of recruitment for criminal activities. Like when I grew up on them thing and I go high school, no guy couldn't recruit me on them thing because the second year I was in high school, yeah, Carpe, yeah, I live at 30 Pencil Street at Jonestown. You understand? The second year I go to school and them thing, a boy were in a fifth form. Yeah, man, me come and make me and take on my chair and make me drop me on my body. I just use the next year and lick him down. Yeah, man, and I reach our principal office. And the boy trying bigger me, him did want to retaliate and copy and a whole heap of man and some my youth from all south, their name Noel Stanbury. And all them man there chewy and a whole heap of man say, hey, copy them say, oh, you can't trouble that youth there, that youth they growing in my yard at 30 Pencil Street, you know, so you understand? And them man there are elder at school. Every man respect them man there. Oliver. Yeah man. So the boy just so from the second year me I go to high school, everybody in high school know me. Cause me yeah. Boy, the first time I licked down the fifth farm youth, the boy a bad boy and all of them things there. So me never afraid of people because some of my mother grew me. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, so nobody never trouble me from me I go. So no man couldn't recruit me and all them things there. You know, you have youth to come from Tivoli and all them things there and Rima, Paula Rassi and you have a whole heap of youth and all them things there, yeah. But me and the man have no problem. So, you know, the man like Carpi and all them man and the man say, oh, yeah, no man couldn't give me no thing there, you have pee and them thing, the man a smoke weed. No man couldn't give me no weed. No smoke no weed. No sir. Never do that when I go to high school. So we continue the journey. Yeah, I just saw it go on them thing there. So teachers and students alike may live in fear. And the quality of education can suffer. When young people are joining into gang culture, they are often deprived of chance to pursue education and improve their life prospect. Yeah, man, I'm going to use the opportunity, man. Big up my principal, Mr. Donaldson, man. The man, they are good principal, you know. You understand? You have a woman who name Miss Reynolds. She was corals and she never liked me and them thing there. You understand? I don't know, because, you know, she always, anytime she talk to, you know, like me, about, oh, one of the people and them thing there. So, I know say because of where I come from and them thing there. You understand? So she used to, you know, talk to me how you're a history teacher. Yeah, she named Miss Reynolds, come from out by Salisbury. I mean, I know I'm to all corrosion. She all corrosion. You understand? Me believe in her redemption and youth sometimes, you know, a man come from a certain community. If you don't know if you stand up on them things for yourself, people run over you, but a different thing now I go on in a school, them carry gun go to school. And I might tell them, one youth to come from Tivoli, you know, when you're Hardy Murphy. The man used to carry a gun come to school, you know, yeah man. Yeah man, Hardy Murphy. I see him on Facebook now and them thing, you know. Dodos, they tell him, say, hey, just slow the badness thing. So I'm a security guard now and them thing. I see him on Facebook. I'm a security guard now. The man used to carry a gun come to school. And the man wasn't a big friend and them thing there. And you have man like Speedy. The man used to play ball and them thing. Fast though, you know. The man not carry a gun come to school. Andrew had to come from Warwick Hill and Marco Rain and hey, you have a Gadabelly, hey, them man there. You have some, hey, and Russian from Jungle. Yeah, but him did the sick still though, and I tell you, the man did sick. The man that love it bad still, boy, I tell you. And Skio from Angola, him love it bad, man. But I don't know, we say dead, they kill Skio Canada. And them say a Yasi, that are virgin them here in Mr. School, so they say a Yasi make them kill Skio Canada. But I tell you, so that whole heap of man when we go to school, enough of them dead. Cause them, you understand? So I don't know why I'm to Russian and them thing there. Cause, and then you have a little youth where him live the same part of concrete jungle like me, Mark. Him live his side more to yeah, well, even after I left school, when my dad jungle and them thing there, him, you know, so the man they love a badness thing, you know. You understand? I don't know how, so I don't know, him supposed to all dead and them thing, because I never see him after I left jungle. And man, two bad man and then a friend. Yeah, so moving on. I just saw it go. So, yeah, so substance abuse, you know, you understand. So crime and violence also contribute to public health crisis. Substance abuse, that's why people drink, smoke and all kind of thing. And the spread of infectious disease. In them day and era, this time, you can't stay so and just, you know, use the soldier and and you know, and your Evans are make and us take things so at different time now. You will catch AIDS and HIV and all kind of thing. You understand? I just saw it go, so you can't just look for somebody and just say boy them healthy, you know. And the physical and psychological toll of living in violent environment all take a significant toll on community health. Healthcare service may be inadequate or inaccessible, further exacerbate these issues. So we are telling them in the 80s and them thing there in Jamaica, we don't think they have a grill pan houses and them thing there. All a jungle and them thing there. You know when that start? In the 90s. You know who was the government then? Okay, you understand. So all a Portmore. So the cycle of criminality and its perpetuation, once established, criminality in a community often perpetuates itself. Young people growing up in these environments are exposed to crime and violence. Yeah, and them feel say something normal too, you know. Yeah. As them feel say it normal. They may see gang members as role models. Yeah, so everybody wants to be George Pang. They want to be like Power. They want to be like Pepper. They want to be a part of Bibo gang. You know, say two places, I go prison or the departure lounge. You understand? Me never look to them people there as no role model, no starky and me want to be like a Tom living, because I want to be on the side of the law. Me don't want to be on the side of me a threat and them thing there. Because man, we a gunman and them thing there, them don't know which day them are go dead. Me I tell you that. All this them are going about them bad and brave. Brave what? Anytime a time for them dead, them, me I tell you, them have accident. Most of them, especially, you understand what I'm saying? Me I tell you, I saw it go. Accident. Because them, when them see it coming, me I tell you, them ball will get weak. You understand? So, when you look to people who are gang members, role model, you only shorten your life because them days are done. You understand? So offering a sense of belonging, protection and material game that may feel unattainable. This leads to the recruitment of new generations into criminal organizations, continuing the cycle of violence and social decay. So the lack of positive opportunities and role models combined with the allure of quick money and power makes it difficult for young people to break free from this cycle. The education and unemployment opportunities are often limited in these communities, and the state's presence may be weak or ineffective, leaving a vacuum that gang readily fill. The path forward, breaking the cycle, addressing the birth and perpetuation of criminality in Jamaica require a multifaceted approach that tackles the root causes while providing immediate relief to affected community. It is. Strengthen law enforcement and judicial system. In Jamaica, you know, say, boy, honestly, it's sad to say, but we have a whole heap of corrupt police in Jamaica, in our police force. Yes, corrupt to the core. I would love to know, say, boy, a police force, like me, when a police stop you, somebody will steal like me and them thing. They have to do rule of law. You don't have to worry if they might rob you, or you understand what I'm saying, rob you and then kill you. Because them kind of police they have, a police will mix up with criminal and them thing. We know in them something. You understand? A robust and a fair justice system is essential to restoring law and order. People now have no faith in our judiciary in Jamaica. Because you know, so the brown paper background things and politics. See them release Vybz Kartel. Here the dummy them now, them want Ninja Man. Ninja Man now come out and them thing there. Because they was, you understand? Ninja Man now come out. Reason being, well, we don't know. Well, we don't even know. Because we not even know if in appeal and lose the appeal or much I got privy council. Ninja, most people not even know say Ninja Man did sue the channel, the Jamaica Young Police channel. Yeah man, Ninja Man sue it. And them have to just back off. This includes not only improving the effectiveness of the police, but also ensure the judiciary is free from corruption and able to deliver justice impartially. That's something that is like a utopia, because trust me, whether or not you want to believe it, our justice system is very corrupt. We have Jamaica in our whole is a criminal's paradise. The people then just corrupt. Corruption is just a part. It's just in them blood, genes, genetics. Economic development and job creation provide legitimate economic opportunities is critical to reducing the allure of criminality. This involves investing in education, vocational training and job creation program, particularly in areas mostly affected by crime. We can't tell them most of these youth, them don't want that. You know what them want? Yeah, them want gun to kill people and them thing there. Yeah, and that's all. You got hear from a man who, I make you hear from a man who was, them man are all done on them thing there, you know. Them, you understand, them man in them 60s now. And them man they been there, done that. You're going to, hey, trust me, you're going to hear some things at this channel. You understand? Once we have life, you will hear it and them thing there. And even if we're gone, somebody will carry on and them thing there. Because we have them, we have the materials. You understand? Yeah, so community empowerment. You know, so as them are saying, you know, so invest in education and vocational training and job creation. Most of them youth them don't want to work. Them everybody want rich and them want job and big pay where them not qualify for. Them not go to school and them want to be CEO. Dumb is them. Them feel, oh, me not work for no $5,000 and all them things. You have to start from somewhere. You understand? But hey, Jamaica one different place now than back then. They mash up the country. So community empowerment and social service, it is crucial to empower communities to resist the influence of gangs. This can be achieved through community-based programs that offer residents support, education and resources, social services that address mental health, substance abuse and family support, also essential in breaking the cycle of crime. Most Jamaican, well not most, some Jamaican, them don't want nothing for that and them thing because them not just outsiders. Them are, you understand? And the only outsider them just are like white people. I tell you, they're not just black people. So if you want to scam them, they'll send a white man inside there and them scam them. Well, I tell you, yeah. Youth engagement and education. Engaging youth, young people in positive activities and providing access to quality education can prevent them from being drawn into criminal activities. Mentorship programs, sports and art initiatives can offer alternative to gang lifestyle. And here now, this is it now. Most of the youth them in a ghetto and them thing. Them don't say police, because police don't live inside here. I tell you that. Police don't live inside here. Teacher, doctors, lawyers. You know who them see inside there? Dance. Man will fire a gun and man will kill people. Man will rob people. These are people them look up to and so them now have a positive role model. Like yours truly now, in a concrete jungle, Jonestown, them don't see me as a role model, them see me as an informer. But yet still, you know, the informer live longer than most of them. Can go to our left. Them don't care about that. Because them will tell you, so, oh, me not care them. Me can't dead any day and them thing. I saw them talk. And them believe say everything when them do, although it's wrong, it's right. Anytime them wrong, them right, and when them right, them double right. So addressing corruption. Corruption within political and law enforcement institutions must be tackled head on. We can say, as we say it already and we say it again, this is the least corrupt government since 1989. And we say that without any apology. We not say it because we say Labour Party. This Labour Party is a little bit better than the PNP. And not because that. We are saying it because of what the evidence is saying in the international community. Why international community I get up and tell like this are the first Prime Minister we fire female ministers, them name mentioned in any corruption. Fire them. Look at Warmington. Warmington team corrupt. Him just make bad statement and him fire him. Oh, you see, PMP, they're not ashamed because they're a criminal organization. Look at all the Rear Admiral guy with him. Philip Palwell, the man where you see in a picture. In a white brief with the little boy them. Want to rest a picture of them. After a woman them just disappear so Rasta. Hey, you understand? So trusting these institutions is necessary to support effort to combat crime. Transparency, accountability, and community involvement in governance are crucial to building trust. Our criminal, when them go to prison, them not rehabilitate. Them go there and them get worse. Because the 8 people them were dead last week at Clarendon, a man stay from in a prison and orchestrate that. Whether or not the Prime Minister wants to believe, and no matter about no retaliation. Retaliation is a must. So the family them, where the family of the men them, will orchestrate the killing. For them family now, them in a crosshairs are a criminal them. You understand? The other side are a criminal. But want to the boy them from Spanish Town. You understand? I just saw it go. Rehabilitation and reintegration programs are vital for those already involved in criminal activities, offering pathways out of crime through education, job training, and counseling can help prevent individuals integrate into society as productive citizen members. And a brother now, him the call from prison and him thing, and the man say, them say government can save the government millions of money, millions of dollars every summer. When the school them out, prisoner can't go out there. Him say him not care. Them handcuff them and all kind of thing and do all kind of something. Make them work on the bench them and all them things. Especially low risk prisoner them will soon come out and all them things and people want to change them life. But because you don't know, so everything is all about the necessary criminal them in the system. Them have to give them friend them contracts. You know, so when the government used to in charge of everything, we did that. It did less corrupt, but from them liberalize everything and all of these things. Because the road is controlled by the PWD, so nobody you understand. PWD, we never used to have all patrol. And them come up with all them things. PMP criminal organization, get rid of PWD. You understand? Get rid of it, dismantle it, and give them friend. Michael Manley start that. All thief them, the whole of them. Yeah, well, I tell you, I saw it go. So the birth of criminality in Jamaica is deeply rooted in historical, social and economic factors. Its impact on communities is devastating, leading to violence, economic decline, social fragmentation and psychological trauma. So breaking this cycle requires a comprehensive approach that addresses the root causes and the immediate effect of criminality by empowering communities, strengthening institutions, and providing opportunities for positive development. Jamaica can build a future where crime no longer dictates the lives of its people. So the story of Rara and the action of Kartel'S Barnes, that are charged with badness, serve as a powerful reminder of the dangers and destructiveness of crime. It's a call to action for the community of Gregory Park to stand against the cycle of violence and fear. It's time to build a future where peace, justice, and unity prevails. Let's work together to create a community where everyone can live without fear, where celebration are joyful and unifying, and where the next generation can grow up in a world of opportunity and hope. When I was growing up, nobody never used to tell you where you can listen. May I tell you, you play your music, no man asks about, you can't play this or you can't play that. Them things that are supposed to happen. You understand? So, have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel, out.